together in a team, okay, how to sync data guard, how to configure rack, how to have the golden game. So it becomes a mandatory common requirement for three of us, right? Wrong,
Yes.
right? Now, if I'm not there, you can do it. You are not there, Aslan can do it, and we can do it vice versa.
Yes.
So means we are there on some common things, right? Wrong. Other DBAs are working other things, right? Wrong. Now coming to the placement group, you me working into the same thing. Will that information, if you and me are into this group and there is a one more group, okay, just consider aside, will that information will be communicated faster between you and me or between this? So answer is no, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now by using the placement group, now consider I'm having a this VM. So I am a one VM, you are a another VM, right? That's how we talk, right? From the resource perspective. Now, if let's say this is there in East US, okay, and if I say WUS, okay, I'm in the W, and again there are two resources here. Which machines will be close by in this situation? This machines will be but natural close by this, and this machine will be close by this machine, right? Wrong. Because what we did, we created our virtual machines based on region, right? Wrong. And for this, this becomes the proximity group, means nearby resources. Now coming to the WUS, West US, there are three AZs here: AZ1, AZ2, AZ3. Okay. Now, if I want the proximity group, okay, placement group, if there are, this is AZ1, this is AZ2, this is AZ3. Sorry, I wrote it inside. If I create two VM here, if I create a two VM here, and similarly I do the two VMs here, okay, AG3. Here this was a placement, proximity placement group or placement group on region level. Here I'm having at availability zone level. So the latency between this will be very, very less, means they will speak like without no time. But here will be even greater time than this machine can speak. And even in this case, regional level, this will be even higher. So this becomes my placement proximity group. And it becomes very, very important when, let's say I'm having a resource. I know this particular, my DC is in Bombay. DC is in a Bombay. Now I want to create all my VMs into the same placement group so that all my VMs are get deployed in the hardware which are there in Bombay DC. And further, if you can want to split down, you can split down up to a rack level. We have a server racks like so. Placing VM in a single region reduce the physical distance between the instances. Placing them in within a single availability zone will also bring them physically closer together. However, as the Azure footprint grows, a single availability zone may span multiple physical data centers, which may result in a network latency impacting your application. To get VM as close as possible, achieving the lowest possible latency, we must use the placement algorithm. Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Next question.